Welcome to Bethel Print Shop's online ordering web desk. You can get to the web desk by typing bethelsd.webdeskprint.com or by choosing the link on the My Bethel page. You'll find it in the Links window pane under Support on the right side. This is the web desk home screen where you'll log in. This is like a newsletter page that will change throughout the year. Bethel employees are already registered, so just click Login in the upper right corner and type your Bethel username and the print shop password. Once you're logged in, you can change your password to anything you want by clicking on your name in the top of the screen. Today, I'll show you how to place a simple order. Choose New Order from the top menu and click Printing Order, which brings you to the category screen. From here, you can choose from different types of print projects. Each print category will walk you through the specific questions we need to know for that item. For this demonstration, we'll just choose black and white copies. So the first item is black toner on white paper, and then we'll choose 8.5 by 11. We'll need a name for this order. I'm going to do a sample syllabus. We need to know how many copies you need. I'm going to type 90. Do you want your pages printed one-sided or two-sided? I'm going to choose 2. Then we need to know how many originals there are. My sample has 7 pages. Now, since this is the black and white category, it won't ask us what color of paper or any other questions we don't need to know for this type of job, so just click Continue. The second page asks if you want binding, which in this case is stapling. I'll choose 1 staple in the corner. Do you want 3-hole punching? I'll just leave it at no. And do you want it collated or not? Now, since I chose staple, it picked collate for me. But if I hadn't, it would need to know if I wanted my pages in separate stacks or collated in sets. Right here is where you can add any special instructions. So I'm going to ask that my copies be counted out in 3 groups. Then click Continue. The next page is where you can attach your file. Click Yes, and then browse to where you find your file. My file is a PDF, so I'm going to choose PDF pre-saved. If you have a Microsoft Word file, WebDesk can convert it to a PDF for you. If you attach a list of names, you can choose Spreadsheet List, and it will keep it as an Excel file instead of converting it to a PDF. And here it also gives you another chance to type a special note. I don't need to for this job. Click Attach File, and you'll see a preview of your document. And once you're sure this is the document you want, you can X out of the preview and then click Continue to move to the last screen and actually place your order. This is the last page where you can choose an account number from the list. You may have just one to choose from, or you may have many if you have different programs. Choose a due date, and then it will default to ship to site, but if you want to pick it up, here's where you can click Hold for Pickup. Then just scroll to the bottom of the screen and click Finish, and you're done. You should get an email confirming that your order went through. You can check on your orders by clicking My Orders at the top. Here's the one we just did. The status shows where it's at in the process. If it says pending approval, then the order is waiting for the building secretary to approve the account and then send it on to print. The status of submitted means it's waiting in line to be printed. In process means it's being printed, finished, wrapped, and sent to the courier. The status of shipped or ready to pick up or complete means, of course, that it's done. There are other print categories that have other options for color paper, color printing, posters, cards, and many other items. Check the help files for help on ordering more complex items, or call the print shop if you have any questions. Thank you, and thank you for using Bethel's Print Shop.